I've got a Daimler in the back. It's a limousine. It's, I think, one of only a couple made. It's crazy unique. It needs to be fixed. These people that are coming now know what it is. How they know, I don't know. But they know what it is and they want to buy it. And if there's any way in the world of getting it sold, I'm your man. I want it out of here. Yo, what are you guys doing with my car? Come on. What's this?
I don't know what he did. He said art, and he said he wants to start calling me Jungle Man.
Are you interested in buying this car, or are you just putting out sheets? Are you planning on living here? Is there something I can do for you?
If we can come to an agreement, this car will work for an art project that we're doing. This is Captain Bob. He's the money man.
I'm madly in love with the car, you know, and we can't be associated with commoners if this car that was built for royalty. Not to sound ostentatious, you know.
Okay, good. Now,
Yeah.
do you know my price?
Yeah.
Good. My price is $26,000.
Right.
Okay. Make me an offer I can't refuse, and we'll get this thing done.
With the total restoration that it needs.
No, I'm not going to do that. I don't care. I care
the
about
roof
numbers.
is out. That
The
means the
roof is
whole
out.
interior is out.
I think you should call someone that cares. I'm selling the car as is, where is, to be restored. I'll tell you what I'll do. Let's make a deal. I want to make a deal. Okay?
A deal's a deal.
26 is my price. Let's chop it to 20, and let's make business and be done. I would be thrilled to get 15 grand out of that toad.
Ted has us down to 20 grand on this car, but with the restoration that it needs and the way the other cars in this condition are going, we think we can do better with him.
I'm at 20 grand. I was at 26.
What do you say? It's his money. You really have to talk to this man.
I can come up with $15,000, and I'm gonna leave with my tail between my legs. If you could do that for us, I'll be in your debt forever.
I'll tell you what I'll do. You guys got to get together on this. I'd really love you to have the project. I know you're trying.
Right.
At 16, you own it. 16 grand.
Deal's a deal. 16, you got it, buddy. I appreciate
thank you.
your patience.
Thank you.
Okay.
Done, you own it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, you own it.
It got to the place where we needed to be. We can't spend too much money on the project, but we're going to do great things with it. We're going to do an art project that's going to be seen all over the world.
I am overjoyed with the Daimler deal. It's wonderful. Bye-bye, Daimler.